In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Deepsearch with Grok effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to navigate the Grok web interface with confidence and make the most of Deepsearch for all your in-depth research needs. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Grok web interface. It's the central hub for accessing all the features Grok has to offer. If you haven't already, log into your account. Upon logging in, you'll find a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy to dive right into your tasks. Keep your login credentials handy to avoid any interruptions, and be sure you have a reliable internet connection for a seamless experience. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create a new chat. This is your starting point for initiating any new research session. Look for the option to start a new chat. It's usually placed prominently on the dashboard. By creating a new chat, you set up a dedicated workspace, which helps keep your thoughts, queries, and results organized. It's like having a digital notepad that captures everything you need in one place. Now, within your new chat, you'll notice several options. Among these, you need to select Deep Research. This feature is specially designed for digging deeper into the subject matter and provides you with comprehensive insights that go beyond the usual surface-level data. Simply click on Deep Research, and you're on your way to exploring vast oceans of information. With Deep Research activated, you can type in a query that truly requires deeper sourcing. Think of this as crafting a question that's specific yet open-ended enough to invite detailed exploration. For instance, instead of just researching climate change, you might want to explore the impact of climate change on migratory patterns of birds in Europe over the last decade. This specificity guides Deepsearch to retrieve the most relevant and thorough information available. After you've entered your query, it's time to wait for Grok to do its magic. Depending on the complexity of your question, it may take a moment for the results to populate. Once you receive the information, it's important to review it carefully. The beauty of Deepsearch with Grok is not just in fetching data, but in allowing you to ask follow-up questions. If there's any aspect of the findings that you'd like clarified or expanded upon, go ahead and ask those additional questions. By following these steps, you'll have all the tools needed to harness the full power of Deepsearch with Grok. Remember, the key to successful research is not just in obtaining data, but in understanding and utilizing it effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy researching.